You only love me on the weekend, when the city turns forgiving, when your friends are gone and the lights are low. That's when you remember I'm living. But Monday comes with your cold shoulders, like I'm a song you stop believing. I'm not your after-party shelter, I'm a whole heart I'm breathing. Don't preach me love, then practice none. Don't call me home, then never come. Love me in the daylight, or let me run. Don't preach me love, then practice none. Don't call me home, then never come. Don't preach me love, then practice none. Don't call me home, then never come. Love me in the daylight, or let me run. Don't preach me love, then practice none. Don't call me home, then never come. I came from neon streets and cheap cafe life, where dreams taste sweet but they don't sit right. You talk like faith, you walk like doubt. You pull me in, then you phase me out. I'm learning love is rhythm, not a pretty word. It's showing up even when it hurts. So if you want my heart, don't treat it like a trend. Don't call it complicated when you want the fed. Say it clean, say it true. I'm not here to chase a clue. Love me or leave me, don't remix my pain. Don't sample my heartbeat, then forget my name. If we're gonna rise, let it be for real. If we're gonna break, let it crack the seal. Hold up, I can't keep singing to a closed door. No more, I won't be your almost anymore. Hold on, I can't keep singing to a closed door. No more, I won't be your almost anymore. Say it clean, say it true. I'm not here to chase a clue. Love me or leave me, don't remix my pain. Don't sample my heartbeat, then forget my name. If we're gonna rise, let it be for real. If we're gonna break, let it crack the seal. Hold on, I can't keep singing to a closed door. Neon saints and broken streetlights. I'm walking through the city of afterglow. I keep seeing you in strangers' silhouettes, in the tilt of a smile and the smoke of regrets. Your name is a spark in the back of my throat. I swallow it down but it won't stay low. You said we're just tied, like tide is a cure, but tide is a knife when you're not sure. So if you're leaving, leave the door wide open. Let the wind prove what you've spoken. I'm in the city of afterglow, where the night keeps what the day won't hold. If you love me, say it loud. If you don't, let me go. I don't need a gentle ghost. I need a heart or I need the cold. I built a future out of almost, and maybe it's danced with your doubt like it was my baby. Now I'm paying rent in a room full of echoes, and every echo sounds like we could have. Tell me, was I just a chapter you skimmed, or the whole damn book you never finished? So if you're leaving, leave the door wide open. Let the wind prove what you've spoke. I'm in the city of afterglow, where the night gives what the day won't hold. If you love me, say it loud. If you don't, let me go. I don't need a gentle ghost. I need a heart or I need the cold. Hold on, I'm not afraid of being alone. I'm afraid you'll come back when I'm finally I'm in the city of afterglow. I'm in the city of afterglow. Let me go. I don't need a gentle ghost. I need a heart or I need the cold. Let me go. Love me loud, or let me go. We keep time like a wound that won't close, counting beats where nobody knows. You say someday, like it's a promise. I hear not today in every comma. Give me one last tempo, one last honest line. Love me like a headline, not a footnote in your mind. If this is the ending, let it hit on time. Don't fade me out mid-sentence. Don't leave me half alive. Kick drum like a heartbeat in sneakers. Baseline walking like streetlight pre I wore a paper crown in a hurricane. Told myself it wouldn't hurt the same. You love the idea of me more than me, like a poster on a wall you never read. I learned your silence had a melody, a minor key that followed where I bled. I tried to smile through all the aftershocks, try to be easy, try to be fine. But every time you changed the subject, it felt like you were changing my design. If I'm a lesson, let me in clean. Don't keep me here in between. Take back your words, take back your nights, take back the forever that you said polite. If I'm your lover, don't make me small. If I'm your mistake, then make it final. I won't be your paper crown. Pretty when I'm up, destroyed when I'm down. I memorize your moods like weather reports, sunny in public, storms in the car. You'd hold my hand when the world could see, then drop it like it never was ours. And I kept thinking love was compromise, but compromise shouldn't feel like losing my voice. So here I am with a throat full of thunder, trying to turn heartbreak into choice. Take back your words, take back your nights, take back the forever that you said for likes. If I'm your lover, don't make me small. If I'm your mistake, then make it final. I won't be your paper crown. Pretty when I'm up, destroyed when I'm down. Maybe I loved you like a religion, pray to a door that wouldn't open. Maybe you loved me like a season, warm for a while then broken. Take back your words. Take back your words. Take back your words. Take back your nights. Take back the forever that you said for likes. If I'm your lover, don't make me small. If I'm your mistake, then make it final. I won't be your paper crown. Not ever again. I won't be your paper crown. Not ever again. You walking smiling like the storm is finally gone. But I can smell the rain still hiding in your tone. You say you miss me, then you flinch when I get close. Like love is just a jacket you wear when you get cold. I'm tired of decoding you like letters with no ink. Tired of acting cool when I'm standing on the brink. If we're building something, build it with your hands, not with pretty speeches and vanishing plans. So give it half a heart, half a day, half a truth. I'm not a room you visit when you don't know what to do. If you're here, be here, not halfway, not near. Don't hold my name like a souvenir. If you're here, be here, no mask, no fear. I can't keep loving what disappears. If you're here, be here. You say I'm trying, but you never change the road. You keep me at the station while you chase a different code. Your friends all think we're solid, they don't see the silent cracks. They don't see the nights I lose myself just trying to get you back. I'm not asking for a fantasy, just honesty that stays. A love that doesn't shrink when it's ordinary days. So tell me what you're choosing when the party ends. Am I your home or just a habit or a convenient friend? I don't want almost, I don't want someday. I want right now, I won't run away. If you're here, be here, not halfway, not near. Don't hold my name like a souvenir. If you're here, be here, no mask, no fear. I can't keep loving what disappears. If you're I used to think love had to hurt to be true, like peace was boring and chaos was proof. But I'm learning the deepest thing you can do is show up consistent, no dramatic moves. So if your heart is wandering, don't drag mine through town. Don't lift me up in private just to let me down. I can't keep being brave for the both of us. Either you stand beside me or you loosen your grip. Say it plain. Are you staying? Say my name. Are you ready? I've been strong, I've been patient, but my chest is getting heavy. I'm done begging for presents, done bargaining for truth. If you love me, make it obvious. If you don't, let me loose. If you're here, be here, not halfway, not near. If you're here, be here, not halfway. I hear your footsteps in the hallway of my mind, like thunder trying to learn how to be kind. The clock is screaming but the room is still, and I'm the only one who hears it for real. You said don't make it heavy, then you turned the light off, left me with a sentence that I can't cut soft. I replay your vows like a worn out tape. Every maybe is a door I can't escape. I'm not innocent, I'm not wise, I'm just a guy with shaking hands and honest eyes. If love is a city, I'm the street that never sleeps. Neon regrets and promises I couldn't keep. So tell me where the truth goes when we're scared of what it knows. I'm standing in the afterglow of every word you didn't throw. Love me like a storm or leave me like a lie. Don't hold me in the middle while you're learning how to fly. If you're gonna say my name, say it like you mean it. If you're gonna break my heart, don't ask me to redeem it. Love me like a storm, make the ceiling shake, or leave me in the quiet where my hands don't ache. I can take the truth, I can take the flame, I can't take almost wearing my name. Don't you dress your goodbye in silver, don't you call it love if it's a filter. I'm tired of the maybe, maybe I need you to save me or slay me. Your friends say I'm dramatic, maybe they're right, but you were the one who taught me wrong can feel like right. I kept your laughter in a jar on my shelf, now it's leaking through the cracks when I'm by myself. I tried to be patient, tried to be new, but every road I take keeps leading back to you. And I hate that I miss you, like a song hates silence, like a wave hates distance. So tell me, do you want this, or just the way it looks? Because I'm not a bookmark, I'm the fire inside the book. Love me like a storm, or leave me like a lie. Don't hold me in the middle while you're learning how to fly. If you're gonna say my name, say it like you mean it. If you're gonna break my heart, don't ask me to redeem it. Love me like a storm, make the ceiling shake, or leave me in the quiet where my hands don't ache. I can take the truth, I can take the flame, I can't take almost wearing my name. If I'm being honest, I'm scared of peace, because peace means you're gone and the fighting ceased. And I don't know who I am without your comeback, and you're what I can. So here's my last confession, I kept a room for you inside my chest, but I can't live in renovation. I need a home or I need rest. You say you need space, I give you galaxies, but you keep orbiting my Space between replies is where my worries live. A little empty apartment where I overthink what you meant. You said busy, I heard I'm leaving. You said later, I heard not needed. I scroll like it's a ritual, a prayer without a choir. Watching dots appear then vanish like a match that won't catch fire. I hate the version of me that begs for a sign, like my whole life is a loading bar stuck at 99. I don't need constant talking, I just need something short, a simple sentence steady like a hand on a door. But you keep love in parentheses, you keep truth out of frame, and I keep paying interest on a debt you never name. If I'm your love, don't ration it. If I'm your home, don't lock me out. I'm tired of reading punctuation, trying to figure your heart out. Cause it's the space between replies that makes me feel like I'm disposable. I'm counting minutes like they're miles, running circles in the afterglow. If you want me loudly. If you need me, don't retreat. Don't leave me in the silence with your maybe on repeat. Oh, don't make me guess. Oh, just say what's left. You call me overthinking, like my fear is just a phase. But you built this little maze with all your halves, said I might stay. You like me when I'm easy, when I laugh and let it slide. But when I ask for honesty, you treat it like a crime. I'm not a notification you can mute when it gets loud. I'm not a late night option when you don't want to be alone. I'm a whole damn person with a pulse and pride, and I'm tired of being almost on the nights I need alive. So tell me where you put me when you close your eyes. Am I a future? Am I nothing? Am I just a time you buy? If I'm your love, don't ration it. If I'm your song, don't skip the part. I can't keep holding my breath while you keep holding back your heart. Cause it's the space between replies that makes me feel like I'm replaceable. I'm learning how to cut the time when soon becomes untraceable. If you want me loudly. If you mean it, show your feet. Don't leave me in the silence with your maybe on repeat. I used to be so patient, used to romanticize the wait, like distance makes it deeper, like delay can equal fate. But love that's always pending is a wound that won't heal right, and I'm done calling it normal just to keep you in my life. I want morning coffee, honesty. I want I'm hearing plain words, not a ghost that only texts me when you're losing your nerve. I want a hand that holds me when the world is spinning fast, not a thumb that taps sorry then disappears into the past. So if you're scared of commitment, say it, don't play sweet. I can't keep building castles on a sidewalk in the sleet. Maybe I'm not hard to love, maybe you're just not ready. Maybe I'm not asking much, just something real and steady. And if you can't give that now, don't taught my heart to guard the door. So if you want me,